Imagine owning a slice of the future, with AI taking the world by storm. One company stands at the forefront of innovation, NVIDIA, and now, with DeepSeek AI, a revolutionary advancement in artificial intelligence, NVIDIA is making waves not just in tech but also in the stock market. So, how does DeepSeek AI tie into NVIDIA AI's success? And what could it mean for you as an investor? Stay tuned, because in the next 5 minutes, we're diving deep into why NVIDIA stock might be the game changer you've been looking for. Introduction to DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence system designed to enhance data analysis, streamline complex processes, and unlock insights faster than ever before. What makes it exciting is its integration with NVIDIA AI's advanced hardware, like their GPUs, which are the backbone of AI computing. This partnership creates a synergy that boosts innovation across industries such as healthcare, finance, and autonomous vehicles. The role of NVIDIA. NVIDIA is not just a hardware company, it's an innovation powerhouse. Their GPUs have been pivotal in powering AI technologies like DeepSeek AI. With the growing demand for AI solutions, NVIDIA's role becomes even more critical. Think about this. In the last few years, NVIDIA has seen exponential growth, driven largely by AI applications. DeepSeek AI, leveraging NVIDIA's technology, is the latest example of how the company is staying ahead of the curve. Stock market impact now. Let's talk numbers. NVIDIA stock has already been a hot topic among investors, and the introduction of AI systems like DeepSeek AI could further fuel its growth. Why? Because companies across industries are adopting AI at unprecedented rates, increasing the demand for NVIDIA AI's products. Analysts predict that this could lead to significant gains in NVIDIA AI's stock value over the next few years. For those looking to invest in the AI boom, NVIDIA might just be the golden ticket. Why it matters to investors. So, why should you care? DeepSeek AI isn't just a tech innovation, it's a catalyst for industry-wide change. NVIDIA AI's dominance in the AI sector positions it as a critical player in this transformation. As more industries adopt AI technologies like DeepSeek, NVIDIA AI's growth potential skyrockets, offering promising opportunities for investors looking to capitalize on the future of AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of technology, AI, and stock market trends. Let us know in the comments, what do you think about NVIDIA's potential in the AI-driven future? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.